Hello everyone and welcome to the demo of FisioSuite. FisioSuite is composed by several applications. The three most important applications are the calendar, the patient, and the sheets. You have also the settings, the statistics, the logs. Let's take a look on the calendar. The calendar shows you vertically the therapist. In this case, we have three therapists, Mario, Sara, and Luigi. Two therapists have already some appointments set. Let's take a look on how to set a new appointment. For example, Mario Rossi has his customer and patient Buffett Charlie on Monday the 9th at 8 a.m. On the 11th, he wants to set up another appointment at 8. So he clicks at 8, he chooses Buffett Charlie, he chooses the sheet that he's currently working on, he saves, and the appointment is automatically set.